National President ke National People's Party Conrad Kyrteng ubadai Menteri Rangba ke Jala Meghalaya ula Leit banya Synran lang yau Narendra Modi hakajing Leit ban Thep Kyrteng jong banya ai reng haka election MP Lok Sabha na Varanasi constituency haka khatsau tere ujemmang arajar pusau. Conrad udah wei na pedang ki Menteri Rangba ki bala syakot ngubah nalor Menteri Rangba ke Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath Menteri Kampoyeng ri India Amit Shah nalor ki weipan. Hakmat returning officer layu iyo Modi bat kibrio ki bala terwai banya konya ke election bat uwei neki udah sadhu bala Thep Kyrteng gum Ganeshwar Shastri Dravid ustad hakajing puli astrology lem ki wei ki noelam kan National Democratic Alliance. Uniu sadhu udah ru uriu tibet ubalong unong penwandor ya kajing puli ya karam temple ha Ayodhya hau benai kelalengkot arja arpusau. Ka Varanasi nak bau Modi ula job RC ya ke election MP kan Thep ya ka vote ha ka benta bakhadu jong ka election MP araja arpusau kata ha ka sitari ujeliu araja arpusau bat Modi undang pen krek ban wan kumu menteri rang ba adu kari India ha ka sien ka balai hadian kani ka election. Conrad habakran ulaong ba kum unong elam ka parti ka betrei lang bat ka National Democratic Alliance ula syakot ngobhalang ulaong ba omla ban len ha ka NDA don hi ki jingya pher jingmut hindrai la pat ban penya penben pat kum ha ka kunhun nya trei lang India National Development Inclusive Alliance India Bloc ki ban nampoi dalai syaka Jingïasngewthuh jingmut.
Well, we are part of the NDA and as NDA partners all the NDA partners were invited to be part of the nomination and we are happy. In the last nomination also we were invited and we were part of the nomination process. It's very nice also to see the way Banaras has changed in the last 5 years. A lot of development has taken place and I'm sure once again the people of Banaras and the country overall will give their trust and faith on the NDA and under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister. No, any alliance can continue to form, but you have to understand that in every coalition or any alliance that you may have, you need to work with an understanding. We don't say that everything is perfect in NDA, but we always ensure that through dialogue and through discussions, whatever concerns and issues come up, we resolve those issues and we find a way to work on it. But when you look at the India alliance, there is no process of resolution. There is a lot of misunderstanding between the partners. And under those circumstances, it's difficult for a coalition to survive. So it may not be easy, but we will see. And I think in politics, we always have to ensure that they fight themselves. Exactly. We're not saying that we don't. We also fight in NDA, but we come to an understanding. We believe in figuring out our problems, talking to each other, and discussing, debating and finding a solution. So that is how we work.
Kumno ba raju?
Kumne kong. Ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jambara.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai kirashon jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umde ubabha.
Kong. Kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi ki kta ya ka kot ka khya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban Ngewthuh hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunasnam mat ka jingbria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 don jinga dei kumno.
Yo iya ka jingtei ya ka met ka phat ka jongi nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jongkine ngengat hagi babun ki jajingpa ka sorkar ka persangkar bala banwanra ya ka kot ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha ba ukhau ata kamlu kadut bat ke omkhnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki batei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu 100% kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai Kyrteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki ta ka sharp plus F aki.
Ba uni jingbam plus F pat ngila banyo na eh.
Nang ni kong. Nagani ka daw ka sorkar kalapan mi yaki skim ICDS, MDM, PDS kabha na kabenta upajba. Kasorkar mi kalamang kerpang hak jingi trelang bat kedukan da ka ba ke la pha da u khau ba pha tam na ka banta ki khna bat ki long kimi ki ba armen dei na ka ta ka dau batang da uni ujat khau ba pha tam ban sam shabaro ki long yeng nang ni shakman tang da u khau 45
ba fikran ya ka jing shisha
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya